Menteri Ketenaga Sosial Welfare ke Sarkar Shylla ba Kyrmen Shylla Dewïong ba ka ain kam di Satya ban map yunu ru compare like de kibarit ni kibahe handai dei ban kam Naphang klam da sha liang ha ba krem kilap thai kubor utei menteri u badei na ka than ka bajur ba ka ba penmi yu Dewïong Dewïong ru ba la dalap kibor ka ain kim dei ban map wat ya kum menteri la dalap bodon kti ha ka te ka kambe an nolo ka taw Dewïong ru ba ka ni ka Sarkar Shylla kum ka kenhon ki persha juri ki kam Khaïi Beaiñ kum ta kintri ru kum ka kenhon manom ailat Satya ya kiti ki jai kam.
From our side, we don't encourage coal illegal, whether it's transportation or mining, because we from the government we don't entertain all kind of these illegal things to happen in our state. But if it happen, they should be punished, whoever it is, because our state and even the public also, everyone wants to see the light of the day that we will be lifted from this. NGT ban, and after that we should have our rights to work it as they have been doing from time to time. So, but it's not that we have to break the law. We'll go according to the law. But one more thing, I would just like to say that whoever break the law, try to take the law in their hands. So he should be punished, whoever it is. So I don't think so that should happen. And if it happens, he will be punished. My brother is involved. He should be punished. I don't spare anybody because I am here for the public. And if it happens, my brother break the law, and if he found guilty, he should be punished. Nobody should be spared. If it is me also, not only my brothers, if it is me or my family member, my parents, my dad, so none of them should be spared, because we are here for our public and we have to obey the law. So that is what I really request each and everyone, whether it's my family or the public, please cooperate with us. The time will come that we will have a smooth functioning of all this operation, example of whether it's mining or transportation, it should be legally. So please don't break the law. Don't take the law into your hand, otherwise you'll be in problems. So don't blame us if that happens, because we have to go through with it.